Hello. Look at me using 2 cameras for a video. So professional. So today I'm going to be drilling my nails, or seasoning my nails, should I say, with this drill from Amazon, not sponsored. I really like this drill because it comes with a USB cable and I use a power bank to power it. Plug that in. Can you hear that? Of course I need to put in the drilly thingy tippy thing. I'll just use this one then. I asked on my Instagram what nail design I should be doing. I suggested this pinky Louis Vuitton snake skin nail. Most people said that I should do it, so I've got this snake skin sticker, nail sticker, and these LV stickers and the base color. Yeah, so today I'm just going to be doing my nails on camera, and if it turns out bad then that's okay because I am not a professional. Shall we begin? I'm just going to use this drill to just roughen up my nail bed, or my acrylic nail bed. Let's go. Starting with my thumb. I'm just gonna Woo! I'm not going back and forth, I'm just going this way and then lift, and then this way and then lift, so just one direction. Seems alright, doesn't it? Let's move on to the next one. Oh, I'm going to change directions. My skin! Don't try these at home. Woo! I keep getting my skin. Stop. Okay, get the idea. I'm just gonna quickly do all of my nails and I'll be back, and then we can start the actual design process. Okay. Right, so I've done my left hand. I'm just gonna leave my right hand as is for the sake of the video because it's gonna be too damn long. So I use my nail file, electric nail file, to buff off like the tips. So I'm just gonna use a manual nail file to go into the cuticles. I just think it's easier and less painful for me. I seen this sewing side of TikTok, sewing TikTok. Anyway, basically where they made like their own clothes. I want to try making a dress, and I feel like I could do it. Look out on my channel for when I sew myself a dress. It's gonna happen, trust. Goddamn. What I'm gonna do is just apply this UV gels only, and this is a UV gel nail polish, so I'm going to be applying this first. Doing your nails at home is so long, man. Even though I spend like nearly £200 on them. Alright, I think I just need to let it dry. I think. Get my LED light ready. Does anyone else think like doing nails is just so therapeutic? My cuticles are actually like nasty, and I'm really hoping my nails are in focus as well. Wouldn't that be a piss day if I filmed the whole thing for 3 hours and then it's not even on focus? Pop that in there. Bake it for a minute. Ugh. Dusty, man. I'm just using a regular nail polish remover to get the stickiness off my nails from the UV gels, or I think British people call it shellac. I don't know where that term came from. Index and pinky is what I said, I think. That should do, I think. And then the pinky. Oh, it's still bumpy, but there's nothing I can do. I didn't say I was professional. In fact, I said I am not a professional. This is my B.Tech nail salon. So while we're waiting, shall I tell you how I got my nail qualifications? Well, I guess you'll never know. I think we should go for a second coat. I've never done this before. I've never like used a whole... Well, I've used nail stickers, but not like for the whole of the nail. If that even makes sense. Am I supposed to glue it on? I think it's already sticky. I'll try one finger, and if that works, then I'll do the other one. Surely this one will fit. Surely. This is the one. Now, I'm trying to get rid of the creases. How does that look? Snaky. And then, I believe you're supposed to file the sides down to get rid of the excess. Oh, wow. Need the enemies out. Wow, look at that. I'm a professional or whatever. No, I'm not. Make sure it's proper stock on there. And then nail file. Bada bing, bada boom. I need more of these. These were so easy. Look at it. So like professional looking. Ooh. And the color combo I like. And I think I will do gold flakes on this thumb. So I was thinking LV on here, but which way? This way or this way? I'll be doing this mostly, so I think I'll go with this way. But I'm just gonna use my tweezers to get one of these out if I can. There we go. Make sure you can see it. Is that okay? No, still wonky. There we bloody go. I am going to be painting this with the nude color as well, and then put gold flakes on this and leave this plain. I think that is a good decision. Like the other ones, I'm going to be doing 2 coats, and then I'm going to go grab my gold foils and then scatter them about on my thumb. So this is my gold foil. I'm just gonna open it up and then use the lid to just separate some little pieces that I can use. I'm gonna grab a chunk, put it on here, and then just separate those. I'm just gonna go in with a top coat, foils to stick onto. I mean, it's kind of like freckles. Randomly place it, make sure it's flat, smaller pieces. Ooh, that's a big chunky piece. God damn. I don't want it to look uniformed, but I also want it to look evenly spaced out, if that makes sense. Does that look okay? I mean, looks right to me, right? Yeah, I think it's fine. I'm not gonna overdo it. Woo! Nearly done, guys, nearly done. My back, my lower back. How is like back pain genetics? Smart people, please can you advise? Ooh! And if I touch it, it doesn't move, but it is bumpy, but that can be fixed with a top coat, which is the last step. We're nearly done. So I'm just gonna use this top coat that I used earlier for all 5 of my fingers. My back. I'm done. What do you guys think? What do you think? What do you think? I think it's pretty cute. I'm not gonna lie. I'm done. Except I'm gonna have to do my other hand. Let me get my cuticle oil, and then we're officially done. Oil my cuticles, massage them in, and ta-da! Ooh! Ew! I'm actually pretty happy with them. Anyway, I hope you liked this video and it wasn't too boring for you, but I think I'm just gonna make random videos, the things I want to do really, because I'm just sick of just being like, hello and welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you this look, you know? But then I'm kind of like showing you another look, but on my hand. What I'm trying to say, I don't know what I'm doing. I will never know what I'm doing, but I'm just going to bring you along the way. I hope to catch you on my next video, and hope you have a nice day. Love you. Mwah. Mwah.